Well, the simulation lab is located right in the industrial park. So what's exciting about it is a lot of our trainings have to do with employees at the various manufacturing facilities in the area. So proximity of it is really close to where they work. It gives them flexibility. We have flexible lab hours, so they can just either before they go to work or after they get off shift, they can go in and do their lab hours and get the job training they need to advance their careers.
This lab will take into account the manufacturing processes and give students hands-on training as far as operating automated equipment, robotics, wiring, troubleshooting, a lot of different aspects of electrical trades. The programs that this can work well with are mechanical-minded programs, electrical-minded, and on into the more advanced automation, robotics, and any of that, this complements that with these trainers. For a person who is already employed and already even having a good job, a very good job, they can always advance and learn more. Learning is, you shouldn't stop learning, and you should always strive to know more and to want to do better and upgrade. And this works well with that, especially if you already have a job. And being able to advance in your occupation, being able to learn something new, and to get the hands-on experience necessary to master it. Three Rivers College, success starts here.